Hi, on behalf of Expert Village, I'm Terry, and today I'm going to show you how to use a set of metal nibblers in metalworking. As in all air tools, I always try to use an air tool approved lubricant oil, or I use this mystery oil. You just pour 1 or 2 drops in the end of your tool. On the nibblers, you hook them up and just run just a brief bit of air through there so you can get it in there. But on the nibblers, on the cutting edge, I will also dip them in there before I use them and after I use them. And that way they're always lubricated. You can wipe the excess off with a rag if you like. It helps to keep from other debris building up. Maintenance on your shears are just like any other power tool. A couple of drops of air tool oil in the end, and you might even drop a couple along the blades of the shear. As far as changing the blades, an Allen wrench and 3 screws that come right out. You can buy all 3 blades as a set and replace those as needed. Careful not to over tighten. You want to snug them up good and then back them off about a quarter of a turn.